This is a room tour of the Captain Cook Hotel, Tower 1, room 808. So, let's see, let's turn all the lights on. So you start with, you have this lovely full-length mirror. You have a good-sized closet. Oh, and there's a safe there. Let me see. It looks like it's a very shallow. Oh, how interesting. It opens this way. Huh. Not deep at all, though. You can see right there. It's not deep at all. But this closet's really deep. It goes way back in there. So, I did get upgraded. Oh, first let's look at the bathroom. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? Oh, here's a hairdryer. And let's see. There we go. So here's the main bathroom. It's got, you know, everything you expect: the shower, the toilet, blah, 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 separate door, and then the a sink at the far end and a place where you can put your toiletries. It's pretty nice. And then look at this. It has a couch, a chair, a sitting area, but where's the bed? Well, as I started saying, I actually bid on a princess upgrade, and I was bidding on the mini suite, and I got the bid, and maybe that's why they put me in a 2-bedroom, or a 1-bedroom suite, I guess this would be. And so look, we've got this whole area. How do I turn this on? That's a good question. Oh, duh. That's how I turn it on. Okay, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed today, apparently. Anyway, it's got this great area here. Another seating area, a large TV in a cabinet, a very nice looking bed. Could this be any more night and day to my previous room from yesterday? Oh my goodness, what a difference. And we have, look at this, look at this. We've got 3 mirrors here, so you can admire yourself from multiple directions if you need to. We have a thermostat that probably works better than the one yesterday. We have another closet, because you can't have too many closets, can you? Oh look, there's another pillow, and I think there's a blanket up there in case it's cold. Wow. Oh look, slippers, more robes, way more hangers. Okay, I understand why this costs more now, don't I? I think I have that clear, although I was not looking at this kind of room at the time. So we have another bathroom, full bathroom, toilet and everything. Granted, they're not in 2 separate rooms, but hey, it's okay. I think I can manage somehow. And all the wonderful amenities you would expect. Hi! Anyway, this was a huge surprise and a major bonus. Solo Sue signing off.